core system libraries failing because of the OLE2 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. While preparing the manual steps for OLE2 Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the OLE2 Library, the Object Linking and Embedding OLE 2.0 Library, a specialized localized legacy Shim that manages the localized unmanaged localized memory marshalling for localized COM and OLE localized operations, mandatory for localized legacy localized software compatibility. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This is an OS level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore OLE2 Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the OLE2 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install OLE2 Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your OLE2 library environment. If you've regained access to OLE2 Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.